Top 10 desert animals. Camel, snake, armadillo, fennec fox, coyote, ostrich, lizard, tortoise, eagle, hedgehog.